Hey everybody.
Welcome back there. Thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to be finally going after that windshield again. So we had sprayed this foam. This it's like expandable house foam, and we thought we could just fill some bags with it, and it would expand and give us a good support. But it's been over a week, and the foam is just barely starting to set up, but some of it's deflated. It never hardened. It was squishy for a week straight. So we decided to go to a different type of foam. We got these foams in a bag here for shipping stuff. I'm going to try that because this definitely was a disappointment and set us back a week. But we're here today and we're going to try to get it done. So what our plan is, you pop A to B, mix them together until B pops, and then you spread it all out. It's for shipping stuff. Never used it before. Don't know what it's going to do. Don't know if it's going to work. So
we're learning together today.
Learning together. That's what we do here. We learn and have fun. Learn and have fun together. So you ready?
Yep.
We got to go. Let's see. Right over left.
Yep.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. And then it says pat. Pat, 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 pat. And then we're going to hear another pop. I'm not sure.
There it goes.
Is yours popping? Ooh, mine's getting hot. Oh. Okay, and then we spread this out like that.
That is quite hot.
It's warm as the day is long here.
Oh, it's not bad. Oh, wow.
Yeah, do we want to...
Better do the other one quick.
Oh, that's hot.
That's hot.
That's really hot.
Okay, you ready? God, come on.
I didn't get mine spread all the way. Oh, that's hot.
Oh, you didn't get her in the corner, huh?
No, it didn't go for me.
Oh, here we go. She's raising. Oh, raise up. Take your time. Just squish your bag out. I don't know, man. We still have some bags left of. Oh yeah, that got hard. Well, yeah. Well, I would call that a failure.
Should have popped it with the windshield under.
I guess.
Can you use this one? This one's hard.
Well,
In the middle.
That's what we're about to figure out.
but we should have a sharp knife and maybe cut this off.
I don't have my...
Don't you think? And then, like, if we just do 5 cans all the way across the top of this, lay a piece of paper over it, and then set that down, we should be good.
We have to do that.
How long it'll take to...
It won't take very long at all because it'll have air. Don't you think?
Yeah, or should we razor blade
Somebody
it?
should get the
Probably.
masking paper. You know, get the masking paper rather than start shaking it.
Huh?
Masking paper roll thing. You're gonna have to spray them and then like really quick lay it on there, won't you?
I don't think so. Not really quick. Not as quick as that. I don't
Yeah, not as quick as that. That was insane.
I'm not sure. Looks kind of homemade. Hopefully that just doesn't blow the frickin' foam right on the ground.
Well,
Be ready with the unplug. Oh yeah. She's starting to get a little skin.
yep. We,
You want to give it a whirl?
well, You know, the next thing is too, if for some reason it sets up too much, well, we have enough volume there, we can go back and trim it.
It should be okay.
That way you can just slap it on.
Okay. What do you think?
Feels like it's starting to set up.
Feels fluffy.
Yeah, it does.
Form the shape. You know what I mean?
That's it.
It's good enough.
Oh no. You want to go that way? Go that way more. Can you do
99% more support than we had before.
this thing? I'm gonna freak out. Those sparks, do you?
What's that?
It's really sparking. Why is it sparking so much? Is that not enough water? It's already cracked?
Yeah.
What the f?
Well, it's on that side.
Yeah, but why?
I don't know.
It's cracked here too.
Yeah.
Just because it's really old glass?
I'm not sure. I mean, I have heard new glass cuts better, but
There it was on the bottom.
yep.
So when you actually pry it, it breaks.
Yeah, well, even squeezing it will break. I don't know if these are supposed to come off or not. Probably not.
It kind of seems like they do.
I would think the rubber should be on.
Yeah, that's what I'm kind of wondering. I don't know. The top's not. Is the top? Yeah, the top must be broken.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that was the dull one. It's still a
Right down the drain.
Oh. Hey. Well, you guys just saw us do the time lapse of this cut on the new windshield, and
new glass is definitely better to cut.
yeah, definitely. That other glass must have been just cooked.
And I think, not blaming it on the blade either, but this time we went with a little higher quality blade. And then, and that seemed to help.
Yeah. So there you go. There's one little spot that couldn't really
Mr.
be.
Camera, let's show you where it happened.
Hopefully it'll
I don't know
just
if you can
crack
pick
back
that
to
up.
itself
Yep,
there,
yeah.
and
There's one going this way, and it looks like they're gonna curl right into each other.
that would be great.
What's that?
That would be great if they did.
Am I the only one wearing earmuffs still?
I just took mine off. Why are you yelling?
Yeah, why is he yelling?
They should just crack to each other, hopefully. Yeah, that's great. That's good. That's very good.
Yeah, we can live with that.
I can live with that.
Yeah.
The top seems to match the pattern, so hopefully it fits the hole. It's not as... I either dip down a little bit too far in one spot or something. But...
Yeah, like this glass is less than a year old.
All right, well, I'd say that's a success. One little crack, we're gonna live with it. I've got another windshield that is perfect. This one is this was kind of our test hog too because it had the busted corner. So this is this was the real test. So this worked out real well. Little crack there, tough taste. It's gonna be just fine.
Yeah, so I think if you're gonna try and cut glass at home, go with new glass and a quality blade.
High quality
take your
blade.
time.
Take your time. I hovered the unit and just kind of dropped it down, and Riley had a hose going, so I'm plenty well soaked all the way through from my bottom half. So I could feel the water running down my pants inside and like down my legs into my shoes. Counts as a shower, so win-win.
Yep.
All right, well, thanks for tuning in. That was this is good. We're gonna go celebrate, and hopefully the next time you see us, we'll be installing this.
Yes.
And then we're gonna go for a little cruise. When is the cruise this baby over, huh? Okay, well, all right, 3 minutes left, so go get yourself a celebratory
Beverage.
Yep.
Snacky. Maybe.
Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Hey, if you haven't, hit that like, subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment if you so choose. Either way, we'll catch you next time. And we're live.
We're back at it.
Hello. I hooked up the fuel pump.
Fuel pump's hooked?
Yep.
We never really explained what we're doing either, but maybe when we get in the shop. We can. I think we're gonna set times. We're gonna go around the go-kart track, right? If this gets running good enough. If not, we'll just get the Nova out and go do full.
About exactly what I thought was gonna happen.
Yeah, pretty much.
She got a cam in her. Probably want that door up a little, huh?
Oh yeah. Ready?
You do that about 5 more times and it'll go. Do that about 5 more times and you'll get in there. Is that bulb got pressure?
Huh?
Is that bulb got pressure?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was sucking its own fuel.
Juices?
We're gonna have to get it running. I mean, once we get it up there, we're gonna have